Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Anthem Blue Cross detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Anthem Blue Cross website. Look for the register or create account option on the home page. Click the link to start the registration process. You will be redirected to a new page. Fill in your personal information, including your first and last name. Input your date of birth in the specified format. Provide your email address, ensuring it is valid for future communication. Create a strong password that meets their requirements. Retype the password to confirm it matches. Enter your phone number for verification purposes. Select your preferred method of contact for updates and notifications. Next, you may need to enter your insurance information. If applicable, supply your member ID number. Review all entered information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Continue button to proceed. You may be prompted to answer security questions for account protection. Complete the security questions as required. Afterward, check your email for a verification link. Open the email and click the link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Anthem Blue Cross website. Log in using your registered email and password. Complete any additional steps or forms as prompted. Congratulations, you are now registered with Anthem Blue Cross. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.